Welcome to Module 2 of the Divisioning e-learning series. In this module, we will learn about how the sport of alpine skiing is divisioned. Alpine skiing is the sport of sliding down snow-covered hills on skis with fixed heel bindings. Competitive ski racing includes 4 disciplines: slalom, giant slalom, supergiant slalom, and downhill. In Special Olympics, alpine ski athletes are divisioned first based on their gender, male or female. For the purpose of competition, athletes are not divisioned by age in alpine skiing. There are 3 skill levels in alpine skiing: novice, intermediate, and advanced. The race courses are designed to reflect the skills required to navigate increasingly challenging terrain and gate setup. Athletes are entered into the appropriate skill level by their coach. Within each skill level, athletes will be further divisioned using the 25% performance guide. The time it takes to complete the race course during the time trial runs is used as the basis for the ability divisioning. Each athlete should complete a set of 2 time trial runs on each course offered at the competition. The first time trial run allows the referee to confirm that the athlete has been placed in the correct level. The fastest of the 2 time trial runs is used to place the athlete in their division. The fastest of the 2 time trial runs also sets the start order for the first run of the competition. Sometimes the race schedule is restricted and divisioning within each event is not possible. In this case, for divisioning purposes, each skier shall have 2 time trial runs on a modified giant slalom course of their ski level. The fastest time on this modified time trial course will be used to determine the athlete's division for all athletes in the competition. The Alpine Referee is responsible for ensuring that athletes compete in the appropriate skill category. The Alpine Referee will perform a visual assessment during the first time trial run for each competitive athlete to ensure that they have been placed correctly. Please refer to Special Olympics Ontario's divisioning policy, sport rules, and the event technical package for further details on athletes who may need to switch skill levels during the competition. The divisioning process is an important part of competition, especially when there is an opportunity for advancement. In Stage 1 of divisioning for alpine skiing, coaches register their athletes into the skill level they feel the athlete will be most competitive. During Stage 2, athletes complete 2 time trial runs in each event. The fastest of the 2 runs is used to place the athlete into the ability division for the remainder of the competition in that event. For Stage 3, the competition proceeds, with athletes competing against other athletes in their assigned division. Placements will be based on these divisions. Special Olympics recommends that GMS, the Games Management System software, is used to division all individual timed sports. It is, however, important for all hosts and coaches to understand how divisions are created. For more information on GMS, please visit our SO Learn site to take our e-course on GMS. In the next few slides, we will demonstrate how to manually create divisions in the context of a Special Olympics alpine ski competition. In our example, we have a set of 7 female athletes of various ages entered in the intermediate skill level. The times listed have come from the fastest of their 2 time trial runs in the event they are competing in. The 7 female athletes have been arranged according to their times, starting with the highest ability. We notice that even though Rebecca was entered as an intermediate athlete, the Alpine Referee has classified her as an advanced athlete. As we proceed with the divisioning exercise, Rebecca will be removed from this group. First, we take the fastest time and slowest time from our suggested division, in this case, 30.35 seconds and 39.61 seconds, respectively. To find the median time between the 2, we need to do the following math. Subtract the faster time from the slower time. 39.61 minus 30.35 leaves us with 9.26. Then we divide 9.26 in half for our result of 4.63. Lastly, we add half the difference, being 4.63, to the fastest time. 30.35 plus 4.63 gives us a median time of 34.98 seconds. Because Special Olympics Ontario uses a maximum performance difference of 25%, once you have figured out your median time, you will need to figure out which times fall within 12.5% of either side of that median time. To find this number, we take 34.98 and multiply it by 0.125, which gives us 4.3725. To find the fastest and slowest times in this division, we add and subtract 4.3725 from the median time. In this case, it gives us a slowest time of 39.35 seconds and a fastest time of 30.61 seconds. When we return to our athlete list and consider our fastest time of 30.61 seconds and slowest time of 39.35 seconds, we see that Alice is slightly outside of the fastest time and Kate is outside of the slowest time. Because these totals are so close, we can be confident that assigning Kate and Violet to F2 and assigning the other 4 athletes to the F1 division will create an ability division that reflects the 25% performance guide. The remaining 2 athletes are also within the 25% performance guide as they make up the F2 division. Event defines the race that is being held for each of the 4 alpine disciplines: slalom, giant slalom, supergiant slalom, and downhill. Time trial runs. Athletes ski the course in their predetermined skill level. These runs are used to ensure that they are in the correct skill level, and their fastest run will be used to division them by ability within their skill level. Start order includes the athletes participating in each event in the order that they will ski. The order is determined by the times from the time trial runs as per the sport rules. Division: the group of athletes that are competing against each other for awards placement as predetermined by the previously outlined divisioning criteria: gender, level, and ability. Thank you for taking Module 2 of the Divisioning 101 course. We hope that you have gained a better understanding of how alpine skiing is divisioned during competition. If you would like to take another module in the Divisioning 101 series, please return to the course's main page and select the module you would like to take. Now it's time for you to take what you just learned in our alpine skiing divisioning module and division the next race. You will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and a calculator to place these 7 athletes into their final divisions. Once you have completed your calculations, answer the following questions. Number 1. How many divisions did you end up with? 2, 3, or 4? Number 2. True or false? One of the divisions ended up with a single athlete in it. Number 3. If Division M1 was the fastest division, how many athletes are included in Division M1? 3, 4, or 5? Number 4. True or false? 7 male athletes are going to compete in the men's intermediate giant slalom race. The answers to these questions are as follows. Number 1. We ended up with 2 divisions. Number 2. False. None of the divisions ended up with only 1 athlete in them. Number 3. 4 athletes are included in Division M1. And number 4 is false. The rationale behind this is that the Alpine Referee indicated that Matt should actually be competing in the novice category, which leaves only 6 athletes to compete in this event.